family. And this city is no climate change. Listen, give thanks and praise to the Creator, whoever you might conceive Him or to be. For me, that's a wonderful day. Down here is going to be overcast with some thunderstorms today in the ATL. But we need a rain because things down here is dry. Like, what shall I say? Like a corn husk. Dry. But anyway, the rain is good. We need a rain for the plants. Oh yeah, and the trees. But until then, let me drop this here on you guys one time. They say there's no climate change. Folks, take a look at Beijing underwater. Flat out. I mean, we know that it's changing all over the world, man, because if I said it once, I said it 1,000 times. We are not supposed to be living like this in fear. Can't get this, can't get that. This is so expensive. And they know exactly what they're doing. They're just keeping you locked down to be living in fear, to make you more in anxiety and keep you more sick because, like I said before, you are not good to the system healthy. No. You're only good to the system when you are sick, need medications, need doctor visits. But once you keep yourself healthy, you're not good to them. So that's why they always have you living in fear. That's why watching the news is always something that distracts your mental capacity of thinking of, damn, for real. That's why I don't really watch the news. Unless it's Al Jazeera. I think it's Al Jazeera news. They give you the actual news as it is. But here it's too much fearful, man. Here is so... Anyway, like I don't really watch the news. I guess watch my YouTube fellas and keep me up to date what's going on and keep me aware. But anyway, this clip here, I do not own the copyright. So the clip is for awareness purposes only. I do not own the copyrights. But this clip is showing that we're definitely going through climate change and things are going to get better. They are going to get better. But before it get better, it's getting worse. So until then, folks, I love you guys. Be loving and kind and caring and humble. And be appreciative and gratitude. Always show gratitude, man. Always be grateful for the sun, the air you breathe in, the trees, the food you get, everything. And don't keep saying that, we have this. Don't knock down yourself with I have a little bit of food. And no, don't do it. I keep saying over and over, the little bit you have is a lot to a homeless person. So always be grateful for whatever you have, whatever it might be. Until then, I love you guys. Peace out. Lots of love, man. Subscribe. Time's up. Share the videos. I love you guys. I'm out of here. 妈呀！想想，我的天呀！哎呦妈呀！超多车呀！我的天呀！你超过了，咱车那有门呀？哎，那个，人可危险了！哎呦我的天呀！前面车还有门呢。
哇！这辆车子终于驾驶不错的了。哎，完了！
的这个台风，台风不是在月10登陆吗？你看，
哦，它是的，哦，可以的，